Hello everyone. If your AC remote suddenly stopped working, don't panic and don't rush to buy a new one just yet. In most cases, the problem is very small and can be fixed at home within a few minutes. Today, I will show you 5 easy and practical fixes that can bring your AC remote back to life. Let's get started. The most common reason is dead or weak batteries. Open the battery cover and replace both batteries with new ones. Make sure you insert them correctly according to plus and signs. Also clean the battery terminals with dry cloth if there is any rust or dust. After changing, try using the remote again. Dust can block the signal between remote and AC. Take a soft cloth or cotton bud and gently clean the front tip of the remote. Also clean the AC and door unit's receiver area. Sometimes just cleaning fixes a problem instantly. If your remote was dropped, it may have internal damage. Press all buttons slowly and check if any button is stuck or not responding. If buttons are damaged inside, the remote may need repair or replacement keypad. Some remotes get stuck in error mode. Remove the batteries and press all buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. This will discharge remaining power. Then insert new batteries again and test. The simple reset often fixes hidden issues. Sometimes the problem is not the remote. Make sure your AC is properly powered on. Check if the indoor unit display is working. If the AC sensor is faulty, the remote will not respond even if it is working fine. In that case, you may need technician help. If none of these fixes work, try using a universal remote or test your remote on another same model AC. If it still doesn't work, then it's time to replace the remote. So friends, before buying a new AC remote, always try these 5 simple fixes first. Most of the time, the issue is very small and can be solved at home. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY repair videos. Thanks for watching.